Hey there, welcome back to the athomedive YouTube channel. As always, my name is Joey, and today we're in the kitchen making a classic, Big Macs. It's not a big deal for some of you because you can run down to your local McDonald's, but here in the Caribbean, we don't have a McDonald's, not a single one. So, sit back, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. We all know that the most important part of the Big Mac is the sauce, so that's where we're going to start. We're going to start right here with 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1.5 tablespoons of onion, 2 tablespoons of French dressing, 1/8 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. We're going to add into that 2 tablespoons of finely minced pickles with an additional teaspoon of pickle juice to go with it. And we're going to go ahead and just put all these things over into the food processor. Alright, now that everything's in the food processor, we're just going to put the lid on it and give it a quick buzz. That's how you make the sauce. It's important that we let this sit in the refrigerator for a while though to let all the flavors come together. It should be ready in about 2 hours. So the next set of ingredients we have on the counter is actually going to make up the Big Mac. We have the sauce now that it's been refrigerated for quite some time. We have two 2-ounce beef patties here. We have just a little bit of shredded lettuce. We have a couple of tablespoons of minced onion here. We have 1 sesame seed bun. We have about 8 slices of pickle here, and we have 1 plain bun that we're going to turn into the middle bun for the signature Big Mac bread. And then we have 2 slices of American cheese here. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're just going to take the regular bun and we're going to cut it so that we have 1 piece of bread in the middle that's going to work perfect. So we're just going to trim a little off the top and a little off the bottom, and there you have it. We just have 1 double-sided bun. We're just going to go ahead and set that aside for now. We have a sear plate here that's heating up, and what we're going to do is we're just going to roll the bread in a little bit of butter and put it on here to toast nice and slow. We're going to do the same thing with the bun. We're going to give this several minutes just to kind of toast up. But while we do, it's time to get the rest of the things together. So the first thing we're going to do is get all this thing, give us a little bit of room here. And I'm going to take 1 piece of wax paper and I'm going to put the 4 ounces of ground beef down and then the other piece of wax paper. And I'm going to take a plate and just press it. And what that's going to do is that's going to give us nice, even, pressed out burger patties. So then I can set this aside. And we're going to do the same thing again. Now that the bread's starting to toast, we're going to go ahead and turn over the double-sided bun and pull off the other bun. This is nice and toasty, so we're going to pull it off and set it on the counter. Now that the bread's pulled off and the sear plate's nice and hot again, we're just going to go ahead and put the burgers on and give them just a second to take nice color. As thin as these patties are, they really don't take long to cook. So once you flip them, we're going to give them about another minute and then pull them off. Now that the beef's cooked, everything's ready to go and it's time to start assembling. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the bottom layer of the bun and we're going to place 4 slices of pickle down, and then we're going to move straight to the onion. We're going to use 1 light pinch of onion all around. You don't want a whole lot, just a little bit in every bite. And then we're going to cover this with sauce. After the sauce, we're going to move straight into a good pinch of lettuce. This is going to help hold your sauce and everything in place. The first layer of cheese is next. Then just a light sprinkle of salt. After the salt, we're going in with our first beef patty. After the patty comes the middle bun, and then we're just going to kind of repeat the process, except there are no pickles on the top layer. So we're going to start with onions, a good bit of sauce, lettuce, the other layer of cheese, just a pinch of salt, and you guessed it, the last layer of beef. And after that, we're ready for the top bun. And there we have it, our friends. That's how you make a Big Mac. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the video. That wraps us up on how to make Big Macs. Comment below and let me know how yours turns out. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.